Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Fidelity account. Before initiating the closure, it's crucial to move all your assets out. Transfer any stocks, funds, or cash to another account or withdraw them. Make sure there are no pending trades or outstanding activities. Also, update any direct deposits or withdrawals linked to this account to prevent issues. Once your account is clear of assets and activity, the next step is to contact Fidelity directly. You can reach their customer service by phone. Have your account number and other personal details readily available. They will need to verify your identity to ensure your account's security before proceeding with any closure requests. When speaking with a Fidelity representative, clearly state that you wish to formally close your account. Confirm with them that your account balance is indeed zero. It's a good practice to request written confirmation of the account closure. This documentation will serve as proof that your account has been officially terminated, providing you with peace of mind. Before and after closing, consider any tax implications, especially if you had investment gains or losses. Keep thorough records of all your communications with Fidelity, including dates and names of representatives. Finally, monitor your bank statements and other financial accounts for a few weeks to ensure no unexpected activity or charges appear from the closed Fidelity account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.